Hi there, I'm Zach.
I'm Trevin.
Today we're going to be showing you how to make an AC rectifier.
For this project you'll need a breadboard, a couple wires, 4 Zener diodes, and a 100 microfarad capacitor.
Yep, as well as an LED or any other kind of load that you want. Alright, so we're going to be talking about alternating current. An alternating current can be viewed as a sine wave, like this, with Vmax being your amplitude, both in the positive and negative. To describe this line, we would use V of t is equal to Vmax, sine of 2 pi times your frequency times your time. In the United States, all AC is 60 hertz. Where we talk about using the rectifiers, what we're really talking about is transforming the sine wave into a wave that resembles a DC wave. So what we're going to do is we're going to be taking the negative values that the sine wave produces and we're going to be putting them into a positive value. And then using the capacitor, what we're going to be able to do is we're going to fill in all these negative spaces like this. And so what we'll end up getting is something that closely resembles a direct current, but does have some oscillation. This is going to be a basic schematic of a rectifier that we talked about previously. This here would be an alternating current source. Notice the squiggly line in the center of the circle. So as time passes, the direction of flow out of this is going to alternate between positive being on top and positive being on bottom. So as the current comes around to being on the top here, these triangles denote the different diodes. Diodes only allow current to flow in the direction that the triangle is facing. So as the positive comes to the top here, it only allows passage through this leg, and then as the positive comes to the bottom here, it only allows passage through this leg, resulting in this terminal here always having a positive and this terminal here always being negative. So the voltage drop across here will always be positive, closely resembling the semi-rectified wave that we get here. So then, as you can see, this load right here would be your actual load that you wanted to have the DC current flowing to. And then down here on the bottom, this is the capacitor that we previously spoke about, using to fill in the empty spaces and giving us the fully rectified wave.
We're going to have AC coming in here or here. It's going to oscillate, so it just depends. These diodes are only going to let the current pass one way. There's a line on the diode, and it's going to be the way which current's going to go through. So this way and this way on this one. These will never be able to pass current, leaving a potential difference across here. So this is going to be your positive and negative of DC. And in between them here, it's going to have the load, and it's going to be anything. We just got a LED hooked up, and it ought to work.